Okay, so now we've done a fair bit of Excel work, we can start to put some things back into here. We're in section 2.1. After the recommended amount of homework was said to be 3 to 4 hours per week, we're now seeing how many students are above and below. Let's put our information back in. From our Excel, we know that there were 73% below 3 hours, 27% on 3 to 4 hours. So let's go back and put those values in. 73% and 27%, and there was nobody, 0%, that was above the recommended amount. Now if I add that up, we've got to get the total. Don't forget the total was 100, so let's put our total in here, 100, so 100% done. Right, let's do what we did before and put that other table in here just to make sure that we can see it and we know that we've done the right thing. Go back to our Excel, click and highlight all of this stuff, copy it, Control C, go to our Word, paste it in here, Control V, there we go. Don't forget we can always change the width of this one a little bit if we like, there we go. Change the width of this one a little bit if we like, there we go. And now we've got our table. Alright, so let's go and show the formulas we used in the Excel table. Go back to your Excel. Okay. Now we want to show the formulas. So what I'm going to do is go to the tab up here that says Formulas, click the button Show Formulas, and now I can see all of this. What I'm going to do is just shrink that one down a little bit, change that one back to there, and now we want to just copy paste this. So I can copy paste all of this, click and drag and copy it all. Or if you like, you can also use a screen snipping tool. I don't know if you guys have done this before, but I do this. I do Windows Shift S, and it gives me this option, and I am just going to screen clip that whole thing. Okay, now I can go back to my Word document, click here, and go paste or Control V. We've done that before. There they are. So that's another good way to do things. So it's Windows button, Shift button, and S if you want to do that screen clipping that I just showed you. Okay, so I've shown some Excel formulas. So let's click here. We'll get rid of a few of these lines, so make it a bit smaller, and we can move on to the next one. It says use Excel to create a pie graph to display the percentage numbers of hours of study. Well, we've done that, haven't we? Let's go back here. Click on the white space of this pie graph. There's our pie graph. And we can go copy or Control C, go back to the Word document, and we're going to paste it in here. There we go. Oh, there it is. That's good enough for me. I like that. Okay, so that's how we can complete those two. After this, we can then go on and complete the methods section. There's something in the OneNote for that, so I'm not going to do a video about that now. So I'm going to end this here and we'll move on to the next steps later.